In this video, I'm going to talk about both the snowy and severe side of this system, and I'll start with looking at the latest model images, and then I'll show you my forecasts for this system. First, we will look at the GFS for starting Monday, and it shows that we got some of the, actually I'll make this size smaller, this brush. So some of the thunderstorms on Monday showing up in these areas, and some of the heavier rain in these areas. The thunderstorms would actually begin on Sunday, but I'm not really looking at a model image for Sunday because it will not be a lot. I'll still give up my forecast for Sunday though. Now, when you look at Tuesday, that's when you have the system sprouting. First of all, you've got some snow here in Wyoming, Nebraska, and South Dakota, and you've got some more storms in all of these areas in here. Well, not even like this. So you'll be getting some of the storms on Tuesday, and on Wednesday it seems to become even more intense. You get something of a line beginning to form up here. You got heavy snow in here now into Michigan. Yes, wide area, and the trough going down here into Texas. So it's a beginning of the squall line forms here, but you've got a lot of severe storms in all of this area, especially with this spot here. Then once we get into hour 120, so that is for Thursday morning. So my actual forecast for Thursday, which I posted, is actually really for Thursday morning, because the most action will happen during Thursday morning with this squall line in here, although it will arrive pretty fast by Thursday evening into Friday. What I said is Friday. A big squall line here, and a lot of storms with this, a lot of tornadoes too with this, but mainly large hail and damaging winds. So as you get into Thursday evening, this is for Thursday evening, and it arrives already into these areas. The squall line, this is like the cold front in here, and you get areas like Huntsville, Chattanooga, Birmingham, and New Orleans being impacted by it, as well as even into North Georgia too. And then on Friday, when my forecast goes, actually for Thursday night into Friday. So really, this is what we get into Friday, and we got severe storms in this area. I outlined, and just strong storms for this area, scattered strong storms for this area. But really, it will really calm down after Thursday night. The line will really calm down after Thursday night. Okay, now I'm gonna show you my forecast starting Sunday. Here's what we've got here. We've got severe storms for this area. in southern Kansas, north central and western Oklahoma, and extreme northeast Texas. And for Monday, that's when I was showing you on the models, you've got this big area here. It could imagine what's on Sunday, only now it becomes bigger and stronger. This area could be really dangerous, as shown by the Storm Prediction Center. In all of this area could see severe storms. On Tuesday we get a severe weather outbreak forming for this area, which is the purple, what I have listed as purple, which is northwest Arkansas, east central Oklahoma, south central and east central Missouri, and extreme west central Illinois. In this big area of severe storms. Wednesday, this big area is under a severe weather outbreak, a tornado outbreak actually, because it says here severe weather or tornado outbreak. And this area could see a few severe storms, but not necessarily an outbreak. For Thursday, we'll be having everything moving east, and possibly places like Memphis, Paducah, Kentucky, Shreveport, and possibly Jackson, Mississippi would be in the severe weather outbreak. Probably no high risk anymore for Thursday. The best chance for a high risk would be Wednesday, but definitely a moderate risk for all of the purple area in here. And severe storms possible as far east as northwest Alabama, and still as far northwest as, well, most of Arkansas and eastern Texas. And finally, the last day would be Friday, and really the euro brings this pretty fast. But yeah, so for the euro, this would be actually on Thursday night, but for the GFS. Sorry, I meant the GFS. This would be earlier, and the euro brings it in a much more slower way. So the GFS would actually bring this Thursday night, and the euro would bring this somewhere on Friday afternoon. So if this happens on Friday afternoon, even though the euro shows more of a heavy rain event, still, if this happens in the afternoon and not during the night, we could be seeing more severe weather. In any case, we could be seeing on Friday severe weather for all of these areas. I might have overdone this a bit. It's actually more like this area probably, and this will be strong storms depending on how the scenario goes. Places like Birmingham, New Orleans, Mobile possibly, Chattanooga and Huntsville, and areas just north of Atlanta could be getting severe weather, and even Knoxville could be getting some. And strong storms for the orange area in here. The yellow is just scattered thunderstorms. Also, I'm going to quickly show you about the snowy side of this system, my forecast. Here we've got the snowfall totals from tomorrow through Wednesday. So the dark purple, the magenta color, is the 18 plus inches snowfall, and for two spots, south central South Dakota and northwest Nebraska, and north central and northeast Wisconsin, and a portion of the upper peninsula of Michigan. 12 to 18 is purple, and this area would be getting 12 to 18 this area in this one. And the very dark blue is 6 to 12. And this area would be in the 6 to 12. The dark blue, the blue would be 3 to 6, and oh yeah, we also got dark blue in this little spot in southwest Colorado, and the dark blue, the blue would be 3 to 6 for this area. The light blue would be 1 to 3 inches of snow in this area, even extending into extreme northeast Arizona and extreme northwest New Mexico. And the aqua color is the coating to 1 inch accumulations. This could be including the Milwaukee, even the south is Milwaukee, Illinois, and the Lansing, Michigan area. This is still not a final forecast for the snowfall totals. The final one will be out tomorrow. And the severe weather final forecast will be out tomorrow too. Well, for Monday and Sunday will be the final forecast out tomorrow, and then for the big outbreak, the final forecast will be out on Monday. So stay tuned to Weather Plus for more updates. Have a good evening. Bye.